talking to my dad. He's not.
We can't because we're late for our fitting.
At 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. This is the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. The surf forecast.
Maybe you can help me. On Wednesday, before...
This is a test. This station is conducting a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. The broadcasters of your area, in voluntary cooperation with federal, state, and local authorities, have developed this system to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by official information, news, or instructions. This station serves the Rhode Island area. This concludes this test of the emergency broadcast system.
This is a test of Emerge Alert, the Cablevision emergency warning system. Had this been an actual alert, the East Baton Rouge Communications District would have issued a priority emergency notification bulletin. Emerge Alert is designed to provide the earliest warning information and is a special service of Cablevision. To repeat, this is only a test of Emerge Alert activated by East Baton Rouge Parish Communications District. Stay tuned as regularly scheduled programming continues.
That's why I didn't want to say anything in front of her.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system, NOAA radio's warning alarm. If you are participating in today's statewide earthquake drill as a part of the West Coast Great Shakeout exercise, drop, cover, and hold on now and follow your post-earthquake drill procedures. This is only a test. The following tones will conclude this test.
Now, if you did know, he lied to us. If you didn't, he lied to you.
Open door. Count.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Evacuation for Servant MN, beginning at 4:07 p.m. and ending at 5:07 p.m. This is a test from Servant Kosher.